Here we have question number 4. So again, we will pick out the numbers. Here's 16,100. We've got 4 months. While we're scanning over this, we notice it's simple interest. We've got an interest rate, and we've got something that says 1/12 of a year. Okay. Before we start calculating too much, it's always good to see what we're looking for. So it says find the interest. We're looking for interest after 4 months. And then, assuming the restaurant doesn't make any payments, find the amount owed after 4 years. So simple interest, we calculate this really the same as if it was a savings or a loan. Remember, a loan is really somebody else's savings. You're just on the sort of other side of the table when you're borrowing versus when you're investing. So the mathematics is the same for a loan as it is for savings, which is kind of cool. So you just want to know the information. So we're going to calculate the interest. So again, that is simple interest. I equals PRT. So P is the principal. It's the amount they borrowed. Time is going to be 4 months, and remember it's going to be 4/12 because the interest is given an annual rate, and we need just 4 months of it, so a fraction of a year. So we got the T and the rate here as a decimal. So take this 2.45, divide it by 100. That moves the decimal over 2 places. So 0.02, or a lot of people like to put the leading 0. It's not absolutely required. Just be careful because this one can cause errors when you do the calculation. Okay. So the interest is going to be 16,100 times the time, which is 4/12 of a year. So it's 1/3. That's okay. And then we're going to multiply by 0.0245. Oops, I forgot the 5. Let's squeeze it in there. It'll show up on the calculator. And then we're going to be good. We'll have the first answer. And then remember, the second answer, just take that interest, add it to the principal, and that's the total amount they'll need to pay back. Which, when you have a business, actually that's a good way to do it. Is you borrow the money, you do your investment, and you've got 4 months to get it paid back. And so you work hard and you get it done. Let's see, too many lines here. So let me maybe erase something. We can leave it. Okay, so 1,600 for 16,000. 16,100 times 4 divided by 12 times 0.0245. Okay, that's going to give us our interest. Not bad, $131.48. Rounding to 2 decimal places because that's dollars and cents. 48. So that's our answer there. This is for the A part. The B part, all we need to do is do the calculation first. What we need to do is we need to add 16,100. Okay, that's the amount we borrowed plus the interest. That's how much we have to pay back. So we get the 48 cents. We get the 1, the 3, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. We paid back 16,231. So we'll enter these in so that we'll be able to check at the end and verify that the answers are correct 15,002, 31.48. I remember Alex likes to have commas. It won't be marked wrong without the comma, but let's just be nice to Alex, and then maybe Alex will be nice to us. All right, let's just keep moving forward. We'll look at question 5 next. Thanks, guys.